This is the brand new introduction of the ALiner Switchback. This is a new offering for 2026. We just made the announcement on this and the response has been unbelievable. This little truck camper was designed to go in all the small and mid-sized trucks. So we're talking Ford Rangers, Tacomas, Jeep Gladiators, possibly even a Ford Maverick. This bottom dimension is 41 3/4 inches. The dimensions between the wheel wells on a Ford Maverick is 42 inches. So haven't physically tried to put one in there yet, but theoretically it should fit. The trailer itself only weighs 400 pounds, sets up and down in 30 seconds like every A-liner does. The upside to it is it gives you hard walls, easy setup and takedown. I've had it on my half-ton truck for a few months and the prototype it was, but the long story short is even closed on my half-ton truck, it's under 7 feet tall. So you can pull it into your garage. I have a 5.5 foot bed on my truck and I can travel with the tailgate closed. So there's a ton of upsides to this little truck camper that nobody else is really offering. Our price point is unbelievable at under $10,000. Other comparable products on the market are going to be something that have more labor intensive setup. You're probably going to be sleeping in a tent and it's probably going to be 2 to 2.5 times the price in the mid-20s. So very affordable, super lightweight, doesn't expand the size of your truck really while you're traveling. So if you want to go back in the country, in the backwoods, go hunting, this is going to be a big unit for hunters for sure. A surprising element to me was when we introduced it, we started getting tons of phone calls and leads immediately. I talked to a lot of ladies who have been sleeping under truck caps and different things like that. So I think the security of the sidewalls, the hard sidewalls, is beneficial for everybody. And the inside bed is 60 by 72, so it's actually a queen size bed in there. We've got aluminum slats that complete that, and if you want to take the cushions off during the day, you can have bench seating on either side, bring a little table in if you'd like to. There's one set of LED lights standard. There's a two double fan that helps move some air around in there. We added 2 USBs, 2 110 volt plugs, and 2 12 volt plugs. One you use for the fan. You got a 25-foot detachable power cord, handles to help pull the truck camper in and out when you're removing it from the vehicle. We've got 2 solar ports, one there and one on the other side over here. The interesting part about this is it is designed to be a truck camper, but as you can see right now, we have it displayed on a little trailer that we bought at a hardware store for less than $1,000. With the combined weight of the trailer at 400, and this trailer weighs 3, the utility trailer does, you could actually tow this down the road at 700 pounds. So the lightest A-liner we have is the Scout Light, which is a 1,250 pound unit. We get a lot of people who are looking for something under 1,000 pounds, and you could even do this as a towable or put it in the bed of your truck. So when folded down, you can basically see what the profile looks like when it would be sitting on the truck. The nice thing is it's got gas struts that help assist the roof panels up. Virtually puts itself up. Flip up your first wall and there's 2 latches that secure that. Get one in and you can step inside. Okay, you got it. One latch on each side there. Last latch here, and you're basically ready to go. Swing the door forward, the latch. Nice. So that is the Switchback by A-liner. We're just getting it on the market now. Thank you for taking the time today, and we look forward to seeing you.